Okay, language explorers. So let's look at the noun authority. Authority. Yeah. Being, whoop, let's change that. What happened there? Being in charge of something. In charge. Telling people what to do. Yeah. In control. In control. Yes, control. So, the ability to give commands and tell people what to do. Control. Control. He has authority here. Say a judge. The judge has authority in the court. The judge. The judge has authority in the courtroom. The judge. The judge. Here we are. Judge. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? She will go to the authorities. So in this case, like the police. A group of people who are in charge of different things, in different places, different areas. The authorities, the people in charge, not a person, but the people in charge. Yes, authorities. So when you are in my class, I am the authority. Yeah. I am the authority. I'm in charge. You listen to me as I teach and tell and share with you what's happening. Authority. So he used to have authority here. He used to be, not anymore, in charge here. He used to have authority, but not anymore. He moved. He's gone somewhere else. Things have changed. Changed. Where is your authority? Where's your rule? Where's your authority? You have no authority here. Where is it? None. Go away then. So if your authority is not here, then you are not in charge. I won't listen or follow your commands. I won't listen to you. Listen to you. No. So, soon he will have authority to do that. Very soon, he will have the authority to do that. Right now, he doesn't have the authority to go there. That door is locked. He can't enter that door. He can't go into that room. But soon, he will have the authority, the right, be able to, the control, be in charge of something. Soon, he will have the authority to enter that room. Soon. The key word there is soon. 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 Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use authority in a sentence? Can you? Write in the comments below. Yeah. How cool is that? And remember, subscribe to the channel. Yeah. More videos every day. You can find me on Facebook and Telegram, just English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy, just Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.